Welcome to the Do It Now Dude YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be doing an oil change on this 2013 RAV4. Let's do it. So what we're going to do first is lift the front of the vehicle up. That's up too far. Okay, let's do it there. Now we're going to put these jack stands on the side of the car to support it so it doesn't tip over and fall on me. We actually didn't lift it far enough. Now we'll see if this works. Good job. Now for this side. Okay, now that they're under, we're gonna lower the car to rest on them. Okay, I'm gonna put the oil pan right underneath, and then find out which ratchet fits this. That one does. Okay, so now I'm gonna push, and got it. Should put a caution sign. You will get messy. Okay, so this is the old oil that's coming out, and you can tell it's old because it's like really dark. It's like black. So now that that's almost done draining, we're gonna replace the oil filter. Okay, so this is the tool that we use to remove the oil filter. Different vehicles require different sizes, but this just pops on it like that. Right, like that. How does it pop on again? Oh, right, like that. Because as you can see, there are little grooves that it pops right into. This won't reach up in there, so I need to get an extension first. Okay, so I got the right extension right here. It's really long, and this just pops on like that, and then that pops on to there. Boom. So now we are going to take it off, which is one of the hardest parts for me. Yeah, it's really hard. Okay, plan B. We'll attach, this is the handle, there, to give me more, I don't know the word for it. That's what you're not supposed to do. This groove, it was so tight, I was just pulling it. It broke off. So now I have to go ask my dad if he can come and loosen this for me. I just found out what I did wrong. I was tightening it instead of loosening it, and that's why that piece broke. So now I have to try to loosen this without breaking anymore, and I made sure this is actually loosening now instead of tightening. So, lesson learned. Do not tighten what you're supposed to loosen. There it comes. Okay. So right on the top, pops right out of this, is the oil filter. And that's what we're going to be replacing. So the new filter we have is a FRAM Extra Guard. Filter comes with bands, little, bands that pop on and give it better seal, but they're normally pretty good because they're in oil, so Now, this is my least favorite part. Putting this back on. Okay, so now I'm gonna move the oil filter, go clean my hands, and then tighten that up all the way. Okay, now my hands are washed, and I'm gonna keep tightening this. Tight. So, we'll put that bolt in now. I do think the bolt is in there. So that means I gotta feel around in this dirty oil. Found it. Now I gotta wash my hands again. Now I'm gonna put this bolt back in. Okay, now I'm gonna finish tightening it with this. Okay, so now we have to lower this, which means first we have to lift it off of the jack stands. Now we lower it. Okay, now when we pull this, shows only a drop of oil at the end. So we gotta fill that up. Okay, so this is what we're gonna pour into. See, this is 5 quarts, and I think this engine takes about 4 quarts. Okay, we're gonna pull this, wipe it. Okay. What could be really bad is if I put too much oil in, then I have to go back and drain it. And I don't really want to do that. All right, I put in almost 5 quarts, and it's to that second little dot, so we're good. Put the lid back on. Oh, and this RAV4 calls for, just tighten a little more. SEA OW 20. So, you should say that on your cap for you to know. Put this thing back in. Got the flashlight. And we're all good. Okay, so now to dispose of it, we have an old container, and we're gonna pour the old oil in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Welcome to the Do It Now Dude. In this video, we will be doing an oil change on this RAV. Snow. Hate snow. It's right near the front left. So it's right near the front right. So it's right near the front. So it's really close to the front right tire. So it's really close to the front right tire. Did I just spill oil on the phone? I'll put a dog crate there. Need some paper towels. Don't got paper towels. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Put the bolt back in. And I hope it's not in the oil pan. Because if it is, that wouldn't be good. So that is how to do an oil change on the 2013 RAV4. If you enjoyed this video, please check. If you enjoyed this video, please like and. If you like this video, please. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, how am I gonna end it? If you like this video, If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And please like... I can't figure out what to say.